So I was browsing eBay when I saw this 3D printer for just $72. This was not too surprising because about a year and a half ago, I bought one from the same company for $86. I actually sold that one to a professor who said, "I'll buy any printer you want for less than $100. So I sold that to him. And that printer was basically a toy. But this one not only looked improved, but it was even cheaper. So I bought it. And I got it a week later, and I was pretty much immediately impressed, even before printing with it, because it was even easier to assemble, and even though it weighed just 2 pounds, it felt like really solid. There was no wiggle in any of the axes, and you had two motors for the z-axis, and yeah, so stuck some googly eyes on it, finished assembling it, and started printing. And this is my first attempt printing. The only problem is that it ended up being really stringy, and it turned out that was a slicer configuration mistake. But using their provided slicer, which is pretty basic, I was able to slice this, and just take a look for yourself. And so there we go. It actually printed my head with a decent bit of quality. It's not perfect. It's not full of features. The motors are obviously pretty cheap ones, but they've done a pretty good job at squeezing the quality out of a really cost-reduced design here. And they've even thrown a couple nice features like the magnetic build plate. So, you know what? I would say go ahead and buy this. It's not going to cost you much. It's a fun little extra printer. You can put one file on it, and then every so often print over and over. It's a great little demonstration piece. So, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.